Lovely Thursday, everyone. It's February 27, 2025, and it is a wonderful, rainy Thursday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating at tatanggapin natin kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges ng buhay natin, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. Siyempre, pasalamatan natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials and challenges at sa mga presence ng mga marites sa paligid natin, which that inspires us to do more with our life. Shout out on Ginaglenda, Glenn Snow, and Pucci, Margie Crane, Cecil Bores, Mama Lu, Luisa Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Managan, Alde Calvadores, Ruel Dacua, Melodia Acosta, Joey Moreno, Gigi Orejenes, Rick Elisna, and J.M. Pangilinan, Tina Nimpa Pagsibigan, Gima David, May Gumayan, Mabel Andres, Elizabeth Ibarra, Kylie Maagla, Eds Macalina, Winnie Claire Santiago, and Ma'am Glydion, and then sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is, love is such a wonderful, beautiful, and confusing thing. It can make you happy or sad in an instant, and accepting such does not make you immune to it. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, lovely Thursday, everyone.